What if the reason you keep second-guessing yourself isn't lack of discipline, isn't fear, and isn't motivation, but one belief you've been repeating so long, it feels like truth? Tony Robbins teaches that the quality of your decisions is shaped by the beliefs running in the background. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a belief exercise that can change how you decide immediately. Don't just watch this. Do it with me. Here's the thing most people don't realize. You're not bad at decisions. Your brain is just trying to protect you, using old rules that may no longer fit who you are now. Those rules are beliefs. And once a belief changes, hesitation disappears fast. Step 1. Think of one decision you've been stuck on. Not your whole life, just one. Maybe it's starting something new, leaving something that doesn't fit anymore, charging more, speaking up, finally committing. Got it? Good. Now, keep that decision in your mind. Step 2. Now ask yourself this question. What do I believe about myself, this situation, or the outcome that makes this decision feel hard? Let the answer come up naturally. It might sound like, I'm not ready yet. I could fail. I don't want to mess this up. I'm not good enough. What if I regret it? That thought, that sentence, that's the belief. Lock onto it. Step 3. Now here's where Tony Robbins interrupts the pattern. Ask yourself, is this belief absolutely true or just familiar? Now, this part matters. Find one real example from your life where this belief was not true. Just one. A time you figured things out. A time you handled uncertainty. A time you succeeded without feeling ready. A time you grew by taking action. Your brain doesn't need a long debate. It just needs evidence. That evidence weakens the belief instantly. Step 4. Now replace the old belief. Not with hype, not with something fake. Ask yourself, what belief would actually help me move forward right now? Something like, I can learn as I go. Taking action creates clarity. I don't need certainty to decide. I've handled harder things than this. I trust myself to adapt. Choose the one that feels strong and usable, not perfect. Say it in your head. Let it land. Step 5. Now anchor it with action. Ask, if I truly believe this, what would I do next? Not the entire plan, not the final outcome, just the next step. One email, one conversation, one decision, one move. This is where beliefs become real. Tony Robbins teaches this because beliefs shape meaning, and meaning controls emotion. Emotion controls action. Action controls results. Change the belief, and decisions feel lighter, faster, clearer. You're not stuck. You're not broken. You're one belief away from momentum. If this helped you, comment the belief you replaced and the new one you're choosing. And remember, decisions don't require certainty, just commitment.